Welcome back to Dickie's Beer Review. Today I'm going to be trying Four Peaks Brewing Company. It's a peach ale and it's 4.5% alcohol. It's out of Tempe, Arizona. It smells really peachy. Yeah, it's got a really strong peach smell to it. Yeah. It's a real light color though. Looks good, let's try it. It's not bad. Not a strong peach taste to it. It's not really sweet. It's good, great aftertaste. Yeah, it's good. It's got a really light taste to it, really good aftertaste. I like it. Yeah, if you don't really like fruit beers, you might like this one. It's not really a hardcore like peach taste to it or sweet taste to it. It's just got a really good crisp taste to it. It's clean, it's nice, it's light, it's good. So Four Peaks Brewing out of Tempe, Arizona. The peach ale is really good, so give it a try. And thanks for watching. Like my videos on YouTube, leave comments, subscribe if you have a YouTube channel, and until next time, cheers. It's not really sweet either. It's good. It tastes like a regular ale. It's a really light beer, real light taste, real light taste. So if you don't like fruit beers or anything, this isn't bad. It's real subtle. Like the peach taste is not hardcore. It's just got a peach smell to it, but it doesn't taste like a sweet. Like a sweet. It doesn't taste like have a sweet taste, and then I like it a lot. So Four Peaks Brewing peach ale, it's pretty good. So give it a try, and that was a good one.